Well, there is a city center. Let's go. Hello Internet, welcome to Lex Universe. I'm sending you greetings from the Manchester Picadilly train station, and today we will visit a little cute medieval town. Well, apparently this city, but I don't believe that, of Chester, and I hope you will enjoy it. This is the continuation of the previous trip where we celebrated the St. Patrick's Day here in Manchester. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. It's hilarious. Right. Yeah, not much more to say. Let's go catch a train. Well, there we are, and this is the historical city center, cathedral. But this will be very disappointing. Well, let's go. Well, as you may have noticed, we have arrived in Chester, and well, the train takes some, I don't know, hour and a half. Extremely boring, but fortunately I'm so tired that I slept most of the journey, so now I'm fresh and ready to explore this beautiful city. Hopefully beautiful, I haven't seen it yet. Well, there is a city center. Let's go. Well, can you see these? These are like elevated passageways, rows. Apparently it's very unique here. You cannot find it anywhere else. Should we check it out? Well, I don't want to spread any anti-British sentiment here, but don't all the Anglican cathedrals just look the same? What do you think? Tell me in the comments down below. Just like many other famous cities, even Chester is walled in, so you can see, you can walk all around the historical city center on top of the medieval walls. Well, I actually don't know whether they are medieval, but why would you build them in the 20th century? You recognize it? And here is the stunning reminder that Britain was colonized by the Romans. Guess what it is? And tell me in the comments down below. It was kind of picturesque, isn't it? And this is one of the oldest buildings in Manchester that still stands. And suddenly behind a corner we are in Italy. Well, that was Chester. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a beautiful little town, city. Still can't get it over it. It's not a city. And since it's St. Patrick's Day, almost, and cheers. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, check out my social media, other videos on my channel, and see you next time. Ciao.